Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my mobile gaming videos. Today I'm checking out something that's been getting a lot of attention online. People are claiming there's an easy way to get extra diamonds in Game of Vampires without using a PC, or rooting or jailbreaking your device. I wasn't sure if it was actually legit, so I decided to test it myself and record the whole process from start to finish. I'll show you exactly what I did, what happened, and whether anything actually changed in my account. Let's jump right in. The first thing I needed was my player ID, so I opened Game of Vampires and went straight to my profile. I found my player ID, copied it, and saved it, so I wouldn't have to keep switching between the game and my browser later. It only took a few seconds, and then I was ready for the next step. After that, I opened my browser and went to the website that people had been sharing online. The site listed a bunch of different mobile games, so I searched for Game of Vampires and selected it from the results. Everything looked clean and simple to navigate. I didn't run into any random pop-ups or confusing menus, so I just followed the steps and kept going with the test. Once I was on the page, there was a short form to fill. I picked my platform, iOS or Android, I'm on Android, and pasted in that player ID I saved. I double-checked it, hit connect, and it linked up with my account in just a few seconds. I'll be honest, I was a bit skeptical, but the page seemed to be using secure connections, so I rolled with it. Once it connected, it showed me different amounts of resources I could add. I picked the one that felt right for my account and pressed the generate button. From there, I just let the system do its thing in the background. Apparently, it routes through different servers and all that technical stuff. Right before the resources were supposed to land, there was a quick verification pop-up. They said it's there to stop bots from abusing the system, which honestly makes sense. It was simple. Just needed me to grab a free app from the official store and complete a tiny task inside it. They even had a short guide if you get confused. Took maybe 5 minutes. A little extra work, but nothing painful. Now it was time to see the result. After everything was finished, I opened Game of Vampires again and checked my diamonds balance. To my surprise, the extra diamonds were already showing up as soon as I got back into the game. I didn't have to restart the app or wait for anything to refresh. I honestly wasn't expecting it to happen that quickly. So that's the full test from start to finish. You've seen exactly what I did, and now you can decide for yourself what you think. If you've ever tried something similar, let me know in the comments. I'd be curious to hear about your experience. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more mobile game tests and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.